So, okay, my dear friends, today, as per your demand, we have a speaking session, and in this session, you have to tell the story of Swami that you read yesterday in the passage. So, I think you all are ready for it. And though अब देखो दो का मैंने यूज किया ना दो यू आर इम्प्रूविंग डे बाय डे यू must improve yourselves more and you must elaborate or explain the story in your own words and you should try to speak as much as you can, okay, and keeping the mistakes that you make most of the time in your mind so that you can make your mistakes lesser, okay. So I think you are ready for it, and I have also got some names like Rakshit. So we are starting with Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today today I am telling a story of Swami. So, once there was a boy named Swami. So, it is the story of one night the about what Swami did at that day.
Hmm.
Uh, at
On
that
that
night.
day, on that day.
Okay, so on that day, or you can say on that night. So that one night, Swami was uh, uh, sleeping, or you can say was sitting in his bed, and along with Swami, his granny was also sitting in his bed, uh, and and alongside the bed, there was a chair, and Swami's father was sitting on the chair, and was seeing the newspaper gloomily. And also he was reading the newspaper. So, and at that time, Swami was thinking that his father should take the newspaper on his face, so that he could run away from the bed to the passage. He was thinking that and praying this, and this happened. Swami's father took the newspaper on his face, and so Swami went out of the bed and was going into the passage. But uh, but that time he was going tiptoed that no one should see him. His granny noticed him and that you asked that, do you need a story tonight, or where are you going, and such types of questions he was asking. So Swami made wild gesticulations for this, to silence his granny. But his granny saw nothing, means saw no gesticulations which Swami made, and she was continuously saying something or asking something to Swami. So so Swami then Swami refused the plan of going to Passage, and went to his bed again, and then he whispered to his granny that you should not wake me up,
Hmm.
if until and should not he granny said he asked said to the granny that you should not wake me up even if the house is on fire. And uh, and uh, such things he said at that time, that if you disturb me now, I shall perhaps die. So such things he said to his granny. uh, then uh, then he went to his bed, and then he pulled his blanket to his face, to the length of his face, means to his face, and then he curled himself in the bed, you can say in the blanket, and then he was pretending to snore at that time.
Hmm.
And then the story is, this means it is not the full story, it is a part of that story, you can say an extract of that story. So this was the whole extract of that story. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। अंजू, बहुत बढ़िया। अंजू,
Can I speak now?
यस,
So hello everyone, my name is Manjali.
योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर।
Yes, sir. Now?
यस,
Okay. So hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is yesterday's story. So yesterday's story was about Swami. Swami's father was Swami's father. He was on sofa and reading newspaper, and he was praying. The Swami, he was like he was prayed to his father lift the paper upper so he can sleep on the bed and fall asleep. And his father was the father don't do the don't do
आवाज तेरी सही
newspaper
नहीं आ रही
up.
बेटा आज, बीच
सही
बीच
नहीं
में
आ
आवाज
रही
कम हो जाती है। ठीक कर इसको।
तो मैं 2 मिनट में ठीक करके आई।
चल तू ठीक करके आ, मैं किसी और को बुलाता हूँ, हर्ष को बुलाता हूँ मैं जब तक।
यस सर।
कम ऑन हर्ष। योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग। हाँ, आवाज नहीं आ रही साहब तुम्हारी।
अब आई है क्या?
ना कम आ रही है बहुत। ना, नहीं आ रही, नहीं आ रही, नहीं आ रही बिल्कुल भी, बहुत कम आ रही है, सुनाई नहीं दे रही, नॉट ऑडिबल। हाँ, अब सही है, बोलो।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad. Today I'm to tell you about a story that we read yesterday. So in that story, there was a little boy of a same age as ours, and he was afraid of his father that he must have done something wrong, and his father was about to scold him. So when his father was reading a newspaper beside, in front of him on a chair, and he was sitting in front of his father only, and he was waiting and praying to the God that his father must lift up, must his father might lift up the newspaper, and he can sneak away on his toes. And in reply to this prayer, just like the God was listening to him, only the father instantaneously moved up the newspaper in front of his face, and he tiptoed from there to his grandmother's to her grandmother's bed. Uh, then her grandmother always used to tell him the stories. But today his grandmother asked that, don't you want a story, and that you are feeling such a sleepy that you don't want a story. Then then Swami made wild gesticulation to silent his granny, but his granny saw nothing, and again asked that, don't you want a story. Then he whispered in her ears that then he whispered in his granny's ear that, granny, please shut up, granny, you want me to die. Don't ask me about anything, and don't allow anyone to wake him if also the house is on fire. uh, Perhaps I will die if anybody wakes me up. Then he slept until his blanket was moved from over his face. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत स्पीड फास्ट हो गई है तुम्हारी। नाइस, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, नाइस फ्लो, कीप इट अप बेटा। या संजू।
यस सर।
हाँ बेटा।
So hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is yesterday's story. So yesterday's story was about Swami. Swami's father was sad. He was sitting on a chair
Hmm.
and reading newspaper.
Hmm.
The Swami was praying to his father. Mind left the paper once again up to his face, so he
Hmm.
can go to the bed and fall asleep.
Hmm.
And and the father left the newspaper and he goes secretly to the bed and try to fall asleep. When the, his granny, she was also sitting on the bed. She
Hmm.
said, boy, you are already already feeling sleepy. You don't want a story? So he said, Swami said, please, Granny,
Hmm.
please, Granny, can you? Please, Granny, I don't want any story.
Hmm.
I don't want any story. Please don't talk me. However, don't talk me. Even the house is on the fire.
शाबाश हाँ बेटा वेरी गुड Hmm.
So Swami threw the blanket on his face, and his granny said, "Don't cover your face."
Hmm.
Like not angry, but like normally, don't cover your face.
Hmm.
Don't cover your face. The face. So he said, "Granny, how if I don't sleep, I perhaps die."
Hmm.
And if and he pulled up the blanket and
Hmm.
put it on her face, or put the blanket on his face and slept.
Hmm.
That's it.
Hmm. बोलने तो अच्छी लगी बेटा आजकल तो तेरे अंदर काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है राइटिंग थोड़ी ठीक कर ले बेटा आपने है ना बेटा
ये तो करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं.
कोशिश कर बेटा है ना जैसे और चीजों में कोशिश कर रही है वैसे ही कोशिश कर बेटा
Yes,
क्योंकि
sir.
एग्जामिनेशन में राइटिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है बेटा है ना कोशिश कर बेटा
Okay, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड बेटा के बेटा बेटा शाबाश एंड नाउ लक्ष्मी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, I am describing about Swami and his granny. And there was a day. That day, Swami's father was reading newspaper, and Swami was sitting in front of his father, and he wanted to go in the room of his granny, and he peered to for God. He peered to God for 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 his father to 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 pick up the newspaper in his face, so that he could go in the room of his granny, and after some time his father put the newspaper in the front of his face, and Swami tiptoed tiptoed in the room of Granny, and there he slept, and his granny again and again questions questioned for for him, and his granny said that, don't you want to listen story? Are you are you feel are you feeling sleepy?
हम्म
Sleepy? And he and he whispered
शाबाश
that
शाबाश शाबाश कोशिश करो हाँ
that don't talk to me, and he said his granny, set up granny, and please don't talk to me. because I am feeling sleepy,
Hmm.
and Granny didn't understand nothing,
Hmm.
and
Nothing क्यों didn't बोल दिया ना उधर?
yes, sir.
Understood nothing.
Granny understood nothing, and 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 he requested to his granny that if you don't if you if you if you woke up me, if you shouldn't woke up me,
Hmm.
because if even our house our house is on fire, and
Hmm.
whatever happened in our house, you shouldn't woke up me,
Wake
and
me up.
क्या
Wake me up.
wake me up, and 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 he was tired fro- from his father, and because his father sometimes scold him, and and he wanted to sleep a lot time, so he slept, and he pulled blanket on his face,
Hmm.
and cover his face,
Hmm.
and he slept. That's it, sir.
Hmm. ओके बेटा, हो गया बेटा? वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बस कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, ऐसे ही है ना? यस। एंड नाउ
Very good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग, पधार गए क्या? आ जाओ। एंड नाउ इट इज टर्न ऑफ गौरव, कम ऑन।
Yes,
हाँ तो
sir.
नया धोया सा लग रहा है, आजा।
अरे यार, रोज नहाता हूँ करना है।
मैंने कब मना किया? मैंने कब कहा कि तू रोजाना नहीं नहाता है? मैंने कहा आज नहाया धोया सा लग रहा है।
सर तो लग क्या रहा हूँ सर, नहाया हूँ।
हाँ तो आज तो तू लग रहा है थोड़ा सा, रोजाना नहाता होगा पर लगता नहीं होगा हमें।
अरे
चल आजा, आजा बेटा, अच्छे से बोलना।
यस सर।
हाँ नीचे मत
So
जाना,
hello
ऊपर आ
everyone,
गया
I'm
तो ऊपर ही
Gaurav
रहना।
here and my
हाँ
today.
हाँ
Yes, so hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here and my today's topic is about a boy named Swami. So one day Swami was sitting in his hall and he was praying to God that his father his father lifted his newspaper to Swami's head and he can sneak out. And with God's sake, it happened. And he tiptoed to his room and slept in his bed. And usually when he was sleepy, he listened to his granny story. But today he was not even interested in it. He didn't even ask. So his granny was confused. She asked, uh, "Are you sleepy right now?
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ फोकस
Don't
कर
you
बस।
want the
हाँ
story? Don't you want the story?" So he made weird gesticulations or fast gestures just to silence his granny. But the innocent lady didn't even understand that he was in danger.
हम्म
And she again asked, "Are you sleepy? Don't you want a story?" Then he crouched to her ear, and then said that if I woke up, then I will die, and don't let anyone talk to me or know about me, even if the house is on fire.
हम्म
Uh, so then, so then, and after that, Swami pulled his blanket to till his head and crouched or shrinked in it. But then, after some time, he started snoring, fake snoring,
हम्म
or
Shabash. Very good.
And then after some time his blanket was pulled. To be continued.
बहुत जोरदार स्टोरी है, मैं सुनाऊंगा किसी दिन, ढूंढूंगा मैं उसको, है ना। अब ऐसे मेरे को पूरी याद नहीं है ना, तो वो ऐसे मजा नहीं आएगा। यस, हैव यू डन? वेरी गुड गौरव, अब बात बहुत दिनों में, अब कुछ दिनों से बहुत अच्छा करने लगे हो। पहले तो एकदम जल्दबाजी कर गुरु के ठंडा खत्म करते थे, लेकिन अब नाउ आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग अ ग्रेट इम्प्रूवमेंट इन यू। कीप इट अप एंड कीप कंटिन्यू डेली बात। ओके, गुड, शाबाश। अंजू नहीं, ये बड़ा कंफ्यूजन रहता है यार। अनुज, प्रभु अपना कैमरा चालू कर लें। पार हो गया फिर ये आज, छोरा गारंटी दे रहा हूं मैं। बोलो, ये जाता कहाँ है ये? अरे मालूम करो इसको, जाता कहाँ है ये? वेयर डज ही गो? पार हो गया देख लो। मतलब यार तुम घर से पार हो जाते हो यार, क्लास में से तो होते हो, इसको अपने ऑनलाइन क्लास में से ही पार हो जाते हो यार। गजब करते हो यार।
सर
क्या पीएचडी कर रखी है तुमने बंक मारने में? हाँ,
सर चाहता तो अनुज भाई क्लास में भी रुक सकता था, पर ये तो उनकी जी मस्ती थी ना कि जाना ही है।
देख लो अब आप, मतलब पीएचडी कर रखी है इन्होंने बंक मारने में भाई। हद करते हो यार। खुशी, खुशी भी आजकल?
Yes, sir.
यस सर, आ जा।
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about Swami's story. Swami's father was sitting sadly, and he he was reading newspaper. Swami was sitting in front of his father, and he he prayed that my father held newspaper in front of his face. After few minutes, Swami's father rustled newspaper and put it in front of his face. So this moment Swami saw, and he got up. He got up quickly and went to his bed in a gallery. And Granny Granny was sitting on her bed, and she said that boy, do you feel sleepy? And she said that don't you want to listen story? And but Swami didn't tell anything, and Swami signaled his hands, and he said he 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 wanted said silently, please granny, be quiet and don't talk to me. But granny didn't see that, and she asked again and again, and the Swami the Swamis wanted said that silently, and said, please, Granny, be quiet and don't talk to me, and Anna, and even if our house is on fire, and if I don't sleep, I will died. And if anyone call me, even if anyone call me. And he 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 turned, and he he was snoring
Hmm.
in a blanket,
Hmm.
but after it the blanket pulled away. That's it.
वेरी गुड यार, आजकल तो बहुत अच्छा करने लगी है तू। शाबाश, ऐसी करती रहा कर बस, डरा मत कर, है ना। अनुज, he is still par. अन्ना,
Hello everyone. Now today I am telling about a story what sir has tell us yesterday. So as you know, in that story, Swami Swami is sitting in front of his dad. His dad was reading newspaper, and um, after some time, his dad put the newspaper on his lap. Then Swami prayed to God that God, please let the father put the newspaper on his face. What Swami has asked to do, it done. His father pulled the newspaper on his face, and very fast tiptoed the Swami go to bed. When he go, Granny was sitting there, and he cover his face and his body with blanket. Then Granny asks, Swami, you are really feeling sleepy? Don't you want a story? Then Swami shows some wild gesticulations, but how the old lady सर समझने को क्या बोलता है?
प्रॉब्लम,
समझने को,
अंडरस्टैंड
the gesticulations, and after again she asked. Then Swami said to Granny, please shut up. Please shut up. Don't let to call anyone to me. Even the house is on fire. सर वरना को क्या बोलूं?
अदरवाइज और एक चीज, अदरवाइज या और कुछ भी बोल सकते हो आप। हाँ,
ओके सर। अदरवाइज I will die. And then Swami again cover his body with the blanket and start the acting to be sleep. Before blanket is not to be pulled away. So that's it.
आज बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने, फोकस रखा आज तुमने थोड़ा सा, है ना बेटा। परफॉर्मेंस अपना अच्छा रहना चाहिए, बाकी कुछ भी करो। 100 बात की एक बात ये है, कितनी भी मस्ती करो, कुछ भी करो, बट जब अपना परफॉर्मेंस का टाइम हो ना, तब वो शानदार रहना चाहिए। बस ये ध्यान रहे हमेशा।
ओके सर।
हाँ बेटा। यस, कम ऑन आदित्य।
यस सर। सर मैं कैमरा बंद कर सकता हूँ?
क्यों? एनी प्रॉब्लम? कैमरा चालू करो जरा। Why do you want to switch your camera off? बेटा अगर चीटिंग करी ना आज, लैपटॉप में से निकल के ही कूटूंगा तेरे को। मैं भी निकाल रखा है, मैंने भी स्क्रीनशॉट। तू बोल अभी। आजा।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है सर।
आजा, तू आजा, अभी निकाल रखा है मैंने, ये देख ले। चीटिंग मत
सर
करियो।
आवाज तो आ रही है ना?
आवाज तो पूरी आ रही है बेटा, चीटिंग मत करियो तू आज बस।
कैसे
ये देख निकाल लिया मैंने आज भी, तू भी आ जा, बोल अब।
कैसे मैं कहाँ से चीटिंग करूंगा?
अच्छा, बड़ा ईमानदार बच्चा है भाई।
अरे
कहाँ
सर
से आते हैं ऐसे
स्क्रीनशॉट,
लोग? स्क्रीनशॉट पे आता हाथ, मतलब देखना मत स्क्रीनशॉट को, चुपचाप मेरी तरफ देख के बोल अब तू चुपचाप।
सर स्क्रीनशॉट आएगा तभी तो बोलूंगा ना।
हाँ हाँ बोल, तू बोल अब, आ जा।
ओके सर। हेलो एवरीवन, my name is Aida and today's our topic is yesterday's story. So as you know that there are two persons who sit on his gallery and then and that people name is Swami and his father. So Swami's father saw his newspaper sadly, and then the Swami prayed that please God, my please God, please God, do can you can you can you can you can you sorry, यार sentence नहीं बन रहा. Can you complete my wish? Then Swami wished that please God, did that. My father rustled his newspaper again, and then he जब मुंह के सामने ले आए तो मतलब
टू हिज फेस,
इधर to my father held the newspaper to his face, and then after some minute his father rustled his newspaper and held on his face. Then Swami went to his bedroom, tiptoedly, and there his granny was seated already. Then the Swami lied on his bed, and then his granny said that Swami, are you really very sleepy? Then and you don't want any story? Then the Swami said that please shut up, granny, don't talk with me, and don't talk with me if it don't sleep.
सामने देख, सामने क्लैप। हाँ
यार क्या
हाँ बेटा,
ये क्या बेटा?
हाँ बोल 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 बेटा बोल। खत्म होने वाली है अब तो, लास्ट के सेंटेंस है दो।
यार याद आ जाए वो।
याद आ जाए।
If I don't sleep, फिर भले घर में आग क्यों ना लग जाए, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा।
आ गया अब तो, यहाँ पे कहाँ से आ गया अभी? प्लीज डोंट लेट एनीवन टू अवेक मी, वेदर द हाउस इज ऑन फायर। ये तो ऐसे
ओके, याद आ गया। If the house is on fire, please don't wake up me. Then the granny don't understand his problem, and then she ask again and again.
हाँ बोल।
Then the Swami made wild gesticulations. Then after he covered his body with the blanket, and he and he swore and yes,
And he
that's it.
started snoring.
Yes, sir. He was starting snoring.
Hmm.
That's it.
Wow.
बेटा हम इतने अलर्ट नहीं रहे ना, हमारे को तो चौराहे पे खड़ा करके तुम चवन्नी में बेचे आओ।
ऐसी क्या बात
अरे
है?
ऐसी बात है भैया। अब कौन रह गया पिंकी?
सर
सर
अरे आगे क्या
मार के
अनुज भाई साहब, देखो साहब आगे भाई साहब, आगे
अपन
भाई
आगे
साहब।
ले
कहाँ गए थे आप वैसे?
सर, अपन यही थे।
गौरव पूरी दुनिया में ढूंढे आया तेरे को। रक्षित गया हुआ है ढूंढने, आजा। यहीं थे। इसके बाद
शुरू करें
पिंकी, आजा।
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic today the story is of a mischievous boy.
हम्म,
Yes, sir. So once the name of the boy is Swami. So once Swami's father was reading newspaper and gazing at the newspaper which was on his lap. So then, however, the boy wanted to escape from the passage and from their whatever the room was. So he prayed to God that if his father would look up at the newspaper uh, on his face again, and so it was so I could escape from there and went to sleep. So in the so and answer to his prayer, the father wrestled or swallowed. So, however, he escaped from the passage. Then he went to the room where the granny was sitting. So this granny So the granny asked him that why are you enough sleepy now, or don't you want a story? So he gesticulated wildly at granny, but the granny didn't pay enough attention to his gesticulations and or refused his gesticulation. So then he went to sleep, but again she asked that are you enough sleepy now, or don't cover your eyes, you are not enough sleepy now. So then he again shouted to granny or said that don't talk to me, or don't let anyone know that where I am awake or not. So then the granny did so, and then however he slept, and that's it.
Okay, done.
Mhm.
Okay, yes, Pinky, आजा।
Hello everyone, my name is Pinky Olia. Today I am telling about a short story for yesterday. There are 3 persons in a story,
हम्म,
and Swami's father was reading newspaper in gallery,
हम्म,
and Swami prayed to God because he went to his room,
He wanted to go to his room. आगे बोलो, घबराओ मत, बोलो, सही गलत मत सोचो। हाँ,
and he went granny room,
धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से, आराम से, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलो। हाँ,
and granny asked, "Are you really sleeping?"
हम्म,
And and he asked to his granny,
हम्म,
"Please don't talk me."
हम्म,
And but his granny didn't understand his problem,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। very
and
good। हाँ,
and and he asked his granny, please shut up,
Hmm.
and he please understand me,
Hmm.
and but and he sleep his bed.
Hmm. He slept on his bed, huh?
He slept on his bed with blanket,
Hmm.
and but his granny, you don't you you don't you don't tell story.
Now, don't you want to listen to a story?
Don't you want to
Listen to a story.
listen to story?
Hmm.
And
अपने हिसाब से बोल दो, जरूरी नहीं है वही बोलो, अपने हिसाब से बना बनू के बोल दो। लड़कियां तो वैसे एक्सपर्ट होती हैं बात बनाने में। हम्म।
but his granny didn't understand his problem, and he asked, please don't talk me. If
Whether the house is on fire।
that's it.
हो गया।
That's it.
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला है, शाबाश। घबराओ मत, ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो बस, ठीक है ना। हाँ, ये कॉन्फिडेंस लाएगा तुम्हारे अंदर। चलिए, ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। कोई रह तो नहीं गया? आ जाओ अब।